Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create another account on Telegram. It is super easy and simple to create a new account on Telegram. I'll show you in this video. First, you have to open the Telegram app. Once the app gets open, you have to click onto the three lines which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you tap onto these three lines, you will see these options. Along with your name here, you can see we have this arrow option which is on the right side of your name. You have to click onto it and then you can see this option add account. Click onto it and then click on continue, and after that you just have to simply allow or don't allow. Then here you have to select the country, and after that you have to just simply add your new contact number, and after that it will send a verification code onto it. You just have to verify and then your new account will be created and then you will be added there, so you can just simply switch in between accounts. So that's how you can create another account on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.